right. As I expected. I am rather looking forward to this analysis, aren't you?
Affirmative. 80 meters. Force. Formation.
Atomic. Johnson. Acquired.
Mr. Freeman, I have a bad feeling about this. Now, I wonder if those boys could have made a bigger mess.
Government granted tactical operative access to proceed.
Do you have any idea what's going on?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I've got 12 meters of heavy, hot ass.
Interesting. Just look at that. I certainly hope you know what you're doing.
Legal acknowledged. Deactivated. No, not November. Failed. Security violated.
Man, that sounds bad. Okay, I'll take this. Do you have any idea what working on this kind of stuff?
Good force in this 12 meters. Freeman.
Do you smell something burning? You know, you repeat yourself sometimes.
What are you trying to do? Watch it with that thing.
Amigo, get an extinguisher right now. Fuel accelerating. Advanced ass.
Shut up. Are you seriously suggesting that all of these beings are here to dine on us? I just want to get out of this alive.
Look out!
Ah! Ah! Freeman, you fool!
Help me. Somebody, please help me. I'm dying out here. Please, help me.
Report biological hazard disposal damage.
Have a very safe day.
Fat lot of good that PhD doesn't know. The cat get out of the rest of this.